Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is third question of its exercise 2.1. So the question says that in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So हम sum करके चेक कर लेंगे. So यहाँ पे सबके डिनोमिनेटर 11 है, means all are like fractions. So directly हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर ऐड हो जाएंगे. So sum of this row 4 plus 9, 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. Then 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 by 11. Then 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15 by 11. Then हम कॉलम में चेक कर लेंगे. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15 by 11. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15 by 11. Then 2 plus 7, 9 plus 6, 15 by 11. Then diagonally चेक कर लेंगे. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. Then 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15 by 11. So in row and in column and diagonally all sum are 15 by 11. So it's a magic square. So यहाँ पर आंसर हो जाएगा yes. Thank you.